You tell me who fought a lot. When he's saying fought a lot means who is the
he
biggest
said
fighter?
those two actually.
Acha, you.
And we also fought a lot. I mean, I think fighting is a healthy
You are
thing
the-
because we come from different points of view. Yes.
Yeah, but
Yes.
Gaurav has always been problematic.
Bigger than you? Bigger than
No,
you.
I fight authority.
He's my inspiration.
You know, you all have made space in very different kind of cinema, all four of you. When you are okay attaching your name with a project, what is priority? Kiran,
I should love it, and I feel like the film needs to have that quality that I can't bear the fact that it's not getting
Correct.
out there. That's what drove me to do this.
I must love the film. And second is, I think I've been the most unreleased filmmaker in the country. So, if filmmaker thinks that putting my name can help him, so I'll let them do it.
When you say you're the most unreleased filmmaker, what comes to your mind? How many films are still not released?
5. My first film is still not released.
Wow, good. We are putting it out there.
A film like Stolen is something that it would not pass muster within what we want to actually do amongst the stuff that we do, right? In the sense that it does have a kind of an indie heart at it and all that kind of stuff. So that's the first reason. I was exhilarated while watching the film, but I was very envious that I wish I could have been. I wish I can be part of this film in any way possible.
I'm doing it, he's doing it. We did it at Phantom for many years, but that needed that kind of collective. So I guess the reason for me as anybody else that you watch a movie and you love it so much that you're like, yeah, this needs to be seen. It can't be a...
No, but he's constantly pushing newer directors. Like if you've seen Black Warrant, for example, and the amount of short films that he has produced. हमें अच्छी फिल्म बनानी है, लेकिन सामने वाला समझ नहीं रहा है. So, जितनी ज्यादा अच्छी फिल्में बाहर आएंगी, उतना सामने वाले को समझ में आएगा. सामने वाला जो है सिर्फ या तो एल्गोरिदम समझता है, बॉक्स ऑफिस समझता है.
ये सामने वाला कौन है?
सामने वाला वो जिसने फिल्म कभी नहीं बनाई यार.
देखो बॉलीवुड में इतनी अच्छी बातें हो रही है. आप यू स्टे हियर, वी लव यू. Guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. For any film journalist, this is a dream interview. मैं यहाँ से आप लोग एक smile करो, मैं एक photo लूँगा. This is what we love doing. So, firstly, to the team of Stolen, Abhishek, what a performance! It is absolutely amazing. It stayed with me for days after I watched it. Well done, and all of you coming together and backing this, very well done. First to you, जब साइन की थी, जब आइडिया आई थी, तभी कभी ये सब टीम थी, ये सब आपको बैक करते हैं. क्योंकि मैं इतने एक्टर्स को इंटरव्यू करता हूँ, सब कहते हैं, कोई कहता है मुझे किरण राव के साथ काम करना है, कोई कहता है मुझे विक्रम के साथ काम करना है, निखिल के साथ करना है, अनुराग का करना है. आप देखो आप कहाँ बैठे हो.
नहीं कभी नहीं सोचा. This was completely काम नहीं दे रहे थे तो I was looking for work. So I was looking and desperately and really I was meeting a lot of younger filmmakers because I really wanted to work on a setup like that. And somehow Gaurav just met me and they narrated me and I was on board immediately. Like मुझे इनकी energy बड़ी अच्छी लगी. Then I knew that whatever they're saying, it's not easy to do, but if they manage to execute it, this is definitely going to be a good film. That much trust I had.
Right.
And then we just went with the flow.
Right.
And even after shooting the film, I had no idea because I think we were so overworked and we just continuously shot all the time and discussed scripts and fought a lot, me and GD especially. So
Actually, it sounds like that behind the scenes is also another movie.
Yeah, it is.
Exactly.
And it's fully documented.
fully
documented.
Yeah, making.
Yeah.
It's already there.
No, it's
We should make it really.
बहुत
Yeah.
interesting कहानियाँ हैं.
Yeah.
And that was very
Yeah,
irritating because sometimes it has a heated argument in the document.
Yeah,
Can we
बहुत
take a
सारी
shot? Like, come on. This is
Yeah, it's very,
The best part, the
it's
best
very
part.
intrusive. It's very observational. It's,
Nice.
Yeah.
You tell me who fought a lot. When he's saying fought a lot means who is the
he
biggest
said
fighter?
those two actually.
Acha, you.
And we also fought a lot. I mean, I think fighting is a healthy
You are
thing
the-
because we come from different points of view. Yes.
Yeah, but
Yes.
Gaurav has always been problematic.
Bigger than you? Because
No, I mean,
I fight authority.
he's my inspiration.
right.
Yeah,
that's
he's the OG fighter.
OG fighter, right. Just for people to understand, this is not based on a particular incident. Is it?
No, I mean each story is picked up and sort of inspired from the story of the two brothers is inspired from a real story.
Right.
The mother who runs away with the babies inspired from a real story,
Okay.
as well as the
Lynching.
I mean, the lynching of course part of the same story. And ये doctor ये भी असली कहानी है कि hospital में हाँ मतलब ये
All of these are real stories in that
A
sense.
lot of
Yeah.
them.
I mean, they were stories that we then sort of got inspired and we created our own version of it.
Right. So when you were writing this also, there's a dilemma of two brothers. One is saying, let's do the writing. One is saying, यार चलो जहाँ से निकलते हैं हम बच जाएंगे फंस जाएंगे. Where did that come from? That was such an interesting part in the movie.
I think that came right in the beginning because we had two characters. But when Katie told me about this video about this two brothers in Karni Onglong which got lynched, we were like, okay, we need to create these two as representing different sides of. They can't be similar. We have to show them differently. At one point, they were musicians also, and then one point they were best friends, and then Abhishek convinced us to have them as brothers. So we knew that to create them as a separate identity and representing two different kinds of people, which are born from the same mother,
Right. Yeah.
but have different views. Because no parent brings up the two kids similarly, because one kid happens and then they learn from one kid, and the second kid is brought up differently. So no two parenting is the same, and we wanted this stark difference between these brothers, one saying the other thing and the other, and made it an interesting layered conflict, which you could exploit through the film.
Right. Amazing. That part is so well done. Right.
Even adolescence, the last episode is all that.
Yeah. True. It is that. Yeah. Now to the OG filmmakers, I want to ask you all, when you give you all have made space in very different kind of cinema, all four of you. When you are okay attaching your name with a project, what is priority? Kiran, for you first, what do you think? See.
I mean, I have to love the film. I have to really believe that it needs to be out there, and I will do whatever I can within my, power to make sure that it gets out there. That's all. I should love it, and I feel like, the film needs to have that quality that I can't bear the fact that it's not getting
Correct.
out there. That's what drove me to do this.
Right.
I mean, all of us, in fact, you'll hear it many times, is that we literally, each of us independently were like after them, the film team, to try and put it out. Like, how can we help?
Okay.
And the film should do that. That's my criteria.
Right. Anurag, when someone uses your name and you come as a EP or in whichever way to push a film, वो क्या चीज़ है जो you're like मुझे ये
No,
होना
like she said, पहली चीज तो है कि film, I must love the film. And second is, I think I've been the most unreleased filmmaker in the country. So if filmmaker thinks that putting my name can help him, so I'll let them do it. So it's not like मैं बोलता हूँ कि I want to come on board. If you think it will help you and they ask me, I happily join the team because I love the film. But I will not. If I don't love the film, I will say no.
Anurag, you've done it actually the most.
Yeah.
He's really supported.
But I have also
Over time,
been the
I
most
think-
unreleased filmmaker.
But
I still have
as a
unreleased.
result of that, perhaps,
Yeah.
you've
As a
realized
result
that
of
once
that.
he's reached a certain point in his life, in the position in the industry,
Yeah.
he's used his weight in so many ways
True.
behind
No, but
new
I
filmmakers.
love film. Though SLB as it is, when I love something, I have to go and.
When you say you're the most unreleased filmmaker, what comes to your mind? How many films are still not released?
March. My first film is still not released.
Wow. Good, we are putting it out there.
And I'm.
And
I think
Two
it's
films
time.
are going to release.
Okay.
Actually, I have 5 unreleased feature films,
even Panch is not.
even including Panch. 5 unreleased feature films, out of which 2 are coming out.
Okay.
Hopefully, the third one also.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Right. Nikhil, you're doing so much work. Your company is producing one after another. We keep watching. Yeah. What does this add to already what you're doing? Because you are anyway producing a lot.
Well, the thing is that while we are producing a lot of stuff, I think that a film like Stolen is something that it would not pass muster within what we want to actually do amongst the stuff that we do, right? In the sense that it does have a kind of an indie heart at it and all that kind of stuff. So that's the first reason. I was exhilarated while watching the film. I was very envious that I wish I could have been. I wish I can be part of this film in any way possible, right? And so actually, there's no burden of we all have production houses.
Yeah, correct.
Right? We all have production houses. We all have, but there's no burden of our production houses being part of what Gaurav and Karan have done. Right? It's just us. It's basically saying, okay, we'll put, like Kiran said, whatever little muscle and power that we do have, pick up the phone here, put something on this thing. Tell people, what what Anurag has been doing for the last 15, 20 years. That basically, I think that's a big model that needs to be replicated as much as possible amongst all our colleagues and all our filmmakers. And we are today, somewhere or the other, we have that kind of, say, credibility in amongst platforms and studios to say, hey, we saw this film. That's exactly what I did. When I saw it, I picked up the phone and I said, listen, if at all you guys are looking at picking up a good film, this is a film to watch, and that's what we did. And I mean, it took a while for them to also align to what they wanted to do, Amazon and then finally they picked up the phone on us and said, hey, is it still available and is it still on? That kind of stuff.
That's so interesting. Vikram, same question to you also. Also for future people who are coming to you, would you like to play a bigger role in films like that? Would you like to play a more creative role also?
Honestly, I wish I could. I wish that that whether my company and any of our companies actually had the money to be able to bankroll and figure out distribution. But that's a much larger game that we're not a part of. I think.
But on a smaller level, you're doing
On
it.
a smaller level, I'm doing it. He's doing it. We did it at Phantom for many years, but that needed that kind of collective. So I guess the reason for me as anybody else that you watch a movie and you love it so much that you're like, yeah, this needs to be seen. It can't be a.
No, but he's constantly pushing newer directors. Like if you see in Black Warren, for example, and the amount of short films that he has produced. Him and there's another guy, Ranjan Singh. They keep producing short films.
That all starts from where he started. He's the one who's. If you look at so many of the directors today who sort of like now, whether it's me, whether it's Vasan, whether it's Shlok, it all comes from the encouragement that Anurag's given to a bunch of filmmakers to kind of come down. We're all the papas here.
Yeah. Right.
I just want to add, all in all, it's a very unique this space, and only a few filmmakers are actually doing it, and it is a hope for anyone who's making a film that maybe if my film is good and I'll have someone to back it. So it's still a very unique place that they are existing in.
For me, it's like when we see all our names together, it really feels like together we can make more difference.
This is something that I genuinely feel like we can do this.
I really feel like that,
Because when you
coming together
gives
puts
you
more
a different kind of weight.
more difference. I think this is somehow
leverage.
उन दोनों ने किया है organically.
And I started with Saeed Mirza and all of them, right? And they used to do it. They did Jani Bhi Do Yara like that. They did Sazaye Maut like that. They did Mohan Joshi Haziro like that. They did Vinod Chopra was part of it. Mani Kaul was part of it. Saeed Mirza was part of it. Sudhir Mishra was part of it. I mean, these are so it's the collective, right?
The collective.
Some of the parts is greater than the whole, right?
I know. When we
I
talk
think
about say,
also-
Malayalam cinema, it was changed by the collective.
Yeah.
They all support each other.
Yeah.
I'm saying Fahad Fazil is not acting, but he's producing a film.
Yeah.
Tovino Thomas
they
is
do
producing another film
Correct.
in which he's not acting, but some other actor is acting.
Assistant कुछ बना रहा है.
Basil Joseph, जो director Minale Murli का, वो उसमें act कर रहा है.
Actually, as
producer. I think
filmmakers, as
that's
people
a
working in
thing.
the industry, we also really want to be, to see the change ourselves. We want to be part of the change, to get like good cinema out there.
You're not doing it. You're not doing it.
No,
all
because
of us
also
have
is desperation.
achieved a
The
certain
creative desperation that I think we are dealing with individually. हमें अच्छी फिल्म बनानी ही है, लेकिन सामने वाला समझ नहीं रहा है. So, जितनी ज्यादा अच्छी फिल्में बाहर आएंगी, उतना सामने वाले को समझ में आएगा. सामने वाला जो है सिर्फ या तो एल्गोरिदम समझता है, बॉक्स ऑफिस समझता है.
ये सामने वाला कौन है?
सामने वाला वो जिसने फिल्म कभी नहीं बनाई
यार.
देखो बॉलीवुड में इतनी अच्छी बातें हो रही है. आप you stay here. We love you. Anurag, to you only, because this is like this is a great first start for someone. Do filmmakers, and all of you please come in, when they're making their first film and their first projects, that is the best fearless project?
Comes from innocence. It comes from being naive about the market. The moment the market and the worry about censors and other things enters a creative brain,
Corrupts them.
no, I won't say corruption. You start getting smarter and cleverer, which is death of creativity.
Yeah, as they say, adversity is the mother of invention.
True.
So you put people in adverse circumstances, they are bound to be creative and innovative.
It's a survival instinct.
Yeah.
But
You have to
fearless is
survive.
When you're watching the film, it's fearless. Like he's taking some
Fearlessness.
chances, he's taking some decisions. He's time that when we sit down and we एक single take कर अरे यार single take करने के लिए मतलब 6 घंटा जाएगा, उसका rehearsal करना पड़ेगा, उसको ये करना पड़ेगा, light चली जाएगी
More than
यार,
that, more than that, I feel the Stolen में, which I see, is he went to make a film at all costs, and he has only made a film. He's not even thinking of a release while making the film. He is not thinking of trying to seek validation from anyone. He is only doing in that film what he wants to do, which is how we were at the beginning.
And you can
But
see that on the
that
screen.
generally-
You
It's
need a
not,
film to-
these
you
are
need
something
to
that
make
you
it
talk
available.
about. These are something that you talk about, you learn in the BTS and the making of it. You can see that on the screen. You can actually see the chances that
You see the passion on screen.
this is
मतलब ये
choices
देख के
he has
like-
made. Very
What
bold
is it that
choices.
you all don't do from your first film, from Black Friday, Ship of Theseus? Whenever I take you all to your first film,
This film makes me jealous, envious. मुझे लगता है मैं नहीं बना सकता ये.
It's all,
जिस दिन मैं वापस ये बना सकता हूँ इस तरह की फिल्म ना, I will
it's the
be like,
ambition of the film.
Anurag,
As
you
a
can
first
do
film,
Absolutely.
anything.
the ambition is incredible in the film because when
No,
you
it's
see it
inspiring
in the
to see
chase
story.
sequence, for example, inside the
Yeah,
film,
yeah,
you see it
yeah,
over there where, like today, any of people would have said, "Oh, stay in the car. It's easy. We'll shoot it in lesser days." He's gone for drone shots and shots behind, and clearly there's like a telescopic arm somewhere at the back, and then you're like, "Oh my God, this is like you've gone to an ambition other level." And hats off to Gaurav for backing that.
Yeah,
because-
Dhigra as a pan wala.
So hats off for backing that because like it's very easy to say, oh, you've got these actors in this kind of film, bhai, itne mein bana le. But the fact is like, no, this film needs to be made at a scale which is impressive. It's a big film. It's not a small film. You know what I mean? It's like it's a scaled up, really, really slick production.
Yeah.
Which is at par with any film that I've seen anywhere in the world, of, within the same sort of subject. And I think hats off to sort of Karan for having that vision. Hats off to Gaurav for like putting his money where his mouth is.
Yeah, the minute Gaurav said that he produced Amazing Races, I think I was sold. I knew that he'd do it because it was all about racing.
right? Abhishek, to put you in a spot, what will you choose? Working with a new filmmaker or a experienced seasoned filmmaker? From what all they said,
why not both? Why not both?
Yeah,
next film
simultaneously.
next film में choice मिले तो क्या
You're saying the
choose
dates, weights, सब कुछ and all that.
But why are the
Just asking for
No,
fun.
but that's a very good question. And
huh.
why are the top actors of this country not working with both
Both.
indie as well as bloody this thing, right? Why are
I'm
they
saying-
not doing that?
You see everywhere in the world. Top actors like Franz Rogowski will go to do a film in UK with an indie filmmaker with somebody else, and they're all big bona fide stars.
Just
They support
So
films.
why are they
Just
not
look at
doing that?
Tom
Even I
Cruise's
don't know.
entire filmography and see who he's working with.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
From
The kind of
C.T.
things.
Anderson,
Yes, yes.
To Inaritu. No.
to Inaritu, through Brian De Palma, matlab he's worked with, I mean, that's the biggest star in the world, right? He's worked with every kind of filmmaker, through every kind of genre, through every kind of thing. We just don't do it here. I don't know.
I've heard Amir Khan say this. That you be a part of commercial films so that I can make films which I want to make.
Right.
So I don't know. Well, I always have heard from people, and I always realize that if you're part of commercial cinema, then you can be a part of this cinema. It's not.
Irfan karta.
Irfan karta tha.
Both,
Stars are unapproachable. I think.
No, and Amir has
very
worked with only
complicated.
so many first-time filmmakers.
Yeah,
That was, I think it takes a certain confidence to know that the film and the material really is exciting to you, and to know that look, I'm willing to take that.
नहीं, but ये
risk.
पहले होता था.
Risk
I'm
averse
saying,
is what most
no,
stars
but this
are.
used to happen. I'm saying, what made Ajay Devgan and Saif and everybody do Omkara? What
Incredible, right?
what
You
made
do a Maqbool
people
and
do Haider, Shahid Kapoor? I'm saying, ऐसा नहीं था, पहले नहीं होता था. There's a notion that has been created on social media through marketing, through everything, where now everybody is competing to outdo each other to create this big hit. So nobody's really looking at the script. They're looking at चलेगी नहीं चलेगी.
Correct.
That's where things have gone.
If you are
gotten
looking
wrong.
at the
Correct me if I'm
script
wrong,
and
Vinod Khanna has also done.
Yeah, lots of
Yeah,
things.
I mean,
Inkar, Gulzar साहब के साथ.
I heard somewhere that Mr. Bachchan would make sure that
Yeah.
every year he would do a Rishikesh Mukherjee film. He would do it. Whatever वो कर रहा था, यश चोपड़ा का film, नवी सिद्धि का
No,
film,
it's
प्रकाश पिरामल
it's a
film.
known
But he
story.
would do a Rishikesh Mukherjee.
Anand was not going to Rajesh Khanna. He kept chasing. He said, free में करूँगा, मैं Bombay territory ले लूँगा. I'm saying that's how actors work.
There's lots to learn even from this interview if they watch it. I hope they do. This film has done its round of festivals. It's got a lot of credibility already. What do you want from the audience? What would you like to tell them? Now with the release,
Just
what-
sit down to watch it. I think that's
that's
it.
more than enough. Yeah,
That'll
yeah,
suck them in. I think.
yeah. Abhishek, what do you want? What do you want to tell them?
Nothing. I just want them to watch it and probably tell their
उसका
friends
सब अपने
about
आप हो
it.
जाएगा. उसका सब अपने आप हो
हाँ
जाएगा.
मतलब मैं चाहता हूँ नहीं. I mean I don't want to like.
मतलब कुछ नहीं.
But just look at the
I'm
comments.
always nervous.
Look at the comments on the trailer.
Yeah, but
Everybody just saying incredible performance. This thing, whoever has seen
नहीं, नहीं, मैं बोलूँ-
it, people saw it, Mami and all. They are just
बस ऑन करो पिक्चर, उसके बाद अंदर हो.
मतलब ये फिल्म जिस भी
Yeah.
देश में चलाई गई है और जहाँ भी ऑडियंस ने देखा है, they all reacted differently.
But-
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, but I feel like we want to tell the audience is start watching. मजा ले कि आप toilet break भी ले.
अरे वाह, that's confident.
And-
Like
and
it's
everybody-
really like yeah.
Everybody has
Just
a
watch
different favorite character in the film. It's not universal that it's Abhishek. You know? It's everybody has their views on why so they put their own in there wherever the audience is there in their journey. They kind of
I love the cops.
you know.
And
Yeah, they allow
honestly,
Khanna
in
and
the
everyone.
film, you are as an audience, you feel you are all these characters.
Yeah.
There are shades of all these characters in each of us. That's the interesting thing.
And
you can
true,
understand all of them.
Can I quote
You know?
another film's dialogue?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
I can, right?
Yes.
Kursi ki peti bahan lo.
That's the one.
Right. Lastly, lastly to four of you, in this film, what stays with you? What stood out? That one scene, one character. What stood out for you? Kiran?
I mean, the mother's character, I absolutely loved.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love Mia's performance. I just think he's also written her in a really complex way, and you know, she's that. I don't know. It's a kind of character you don't often get to see.
Right.
You know, and you completely, as an audience, empathize with. You know, and when you go through the film, and I think it's remarkable what he wrote
Yeah.
and what he,
Really fun.
what he got in terms of a performance. I love that.
For me, everything stays with me, and what I love is the grayness of every character and the complexities that the director went with. And also, I always say, हर अच्छी फिल्म के पीछे एक अच्छा प्रोड्यूसर होता है, more than anything else, because the director went with it and the producers also pushed जा उधर.
Right. Yeah.
हम लोग को वहीं से रोकते हैं. What stops us is because film costs money.
Right.
So the man who's paying for it stops you.
Right. Nikhil,
Taking
what,
risks.
what did you love?
I
particularly?
thought just the relentless energy of it.
Relentlessness.
It's just from get go. It's you don't even know who you start rooting for one character and then you suddenly you make you feel it makes Karan and Gaurav make you feel as if that hey, you were rooting for the wrong guy, man. This guy is the right guy, right? And then
वो
boom,
change
you go
होता
to
है. Who
her,
you are rooting for
and
keeps
then you
changing.
feel as if is she hiding something, but she's not actually. She's actually. So it's beautifully written.
Yeah.
It's beautifully crafted. It's I mean it. There's so much effort. I know as a filmmaker, I know there's so much effort in the film, but it makes it look all effortless, right? In the sense, it's just happening.
Yeah.
It's just happening there. So you're so much in the moment of that when you're watching the film. You're there at the backseat of that car.
Yeah. And you like the cops, you said.
I love the cops.
Vikram?
I from a scene/sequence perspective, the chase sequence for me is tremendous. I
Oh
think
my
the
God,
centerpiece action film. And as a character, I think Abhishek's arc, it is very difficult to empathize with the asshole, and I think it's fantastic
Yeah.
the way it's written and the way he's performed it, and what actually eventually happens in the film. I think that's remarkable, and it's a very, very emotional film at the end of it. You don't realize how emotional the film actually gets
Right.
by the end of it.
At the end, the emotion surprises.
It's it really surprises you. And for me, that was a big surprise.
True.
I didn't see it going.
Like that character says कि कभी कभी अच्छा काम करने का मौका मिलता है तो कर लेना चाहिए. Like you all have come exactly for that. Thank you so much. This has been such a pleasure.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah.